Today we're checking out SkySnail, an AI-powered thumbnail generator that turns your video content into ready-to-post thumbnails with no watermarks. If you've ever made a thumbnail with an AI tool, you already know the frustration. You get a decent result and then right there in the corner, a watermark. So you upgrade. Then you're re-uploading your face every single time, picking fonts from scratch, and somehow spending 45 minutes on something that should take 2. SkySnail cuts all of that out. To kick things off, just create a new project and choose how you want SkySnail to generate your thumbnail. You can paste in a description, drop in a transcript, upload a video file, or paste a YouTube link. SkySnail will pull the transcript automatically and use it to build the thumbnail concept. From there, you browse templates sized for YouTube longform, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Pick the one that fits your vibe, select your saved avatar, and hit generate. When your thumbnail comes back, it's clean. No Gemini watermark. And if the text isn't quite right, you fix it by chatting. Just type what you want changed and SkySnail updates it in seconds. When you're happy with it, download it in 2K quality, ready to upload. Want every thumbnail to match your brand automatically? Head into the brand kit where you can set your primary and secondary colors, choose your fonts, and upload your logo. There's even a live preview so you can see exactly how your choices will look before you generate a single thumbnail. Set it once and it applies across everything going forward. You can also save your own custom templates. Upload a thumbnail design you love, set the aspect ratio, name it, and it shows up under My Templates every time you start a new project. And avatars work the same way. Save your face or your client's once, and it's there to pull in on demand without re-uploading. SkySnail also includes a handful of free tools built right into the platform, including a YouTube thumbnail downloader and a safe preview zone where you can check how your thumbnail actually looks at thumbnail size before it goes live. If you're tired of watermarked AI results, repetitive asset uploads, and spending way too long on thumbnails, SkySnail gives you a faster, cleaner workflow. Click buy now to start creating professional AI thumbnails with SkySnail today.